Hi guys, back to my video. Today we're going to be making pancakes. That chocolate, I actually kind of want to put that on my pancakes.
Probably be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, drizzle a little chocolate and a little syrup and a little butter. Yeah.
Put a lot of that chocolate on there. I'm tired of saying Spanish chocolate. There you go. She's just pouring that on in there. I might just do
one pancake.
One pancake. And two pancake.
Let them cook.
Let them cook. How we doing over here, Grammy?
The egg is in cooking and your pancakes are cooking. We'll have to turn them over.
Okay.
Now.
So, we're gonna flip those pancakes open. Over.
Good job.
Those pancakes smell actually really good. Guys, can you guys smell that from the video? It smells so good. I'm a cooking channel. I have my own cooking channel.
Yeah, I think it's done.
That cheese again.
You have an egg and pancake. Now you want a little drizzle of chocolate syrup and a little drizzle of syrup? Okay, now you want syrup on both of them. Cut this up and then you can go eat.
Guys, you guys should try this at home. I mean, don't try this at home. Well, your mom can do it. You can help your mom and dad, but I kind of helped her. You guys, just to make sure you guys really breakfast. It's so good, guys. Check out the next one. Bye, and subscribe and like it. Bye, and turn on your notifications as PBR #1 fan.